Hello guys, welcome back to Religion. Today we're going to be back with another brand new drone flight. So yeah, today we're flying nearby Russell Square. We're not far from Russell Square. So yeah, I'm just going to put my drone on here so you have less things to worry about when you take off. So yeah, without further ado, let's just take off. Let's explore this. So we're basically still in central London, just in a different spot. So as you can see, it's sunny where the Shard is. So I'm going to go to the max height. I'm going to stop recording. Then I'm going to do a 360 photo. Actually no, I better take a photo of that first. Got to take a few photos of that. That looks amazing. Oh, that is some sick photo. Then we've got to turn this way, just see what's down there. BT Tower's here as well. Alright, let's just do a 360 photo then. Alright, so let's just go around now. Let's look at the Shard. Literally in the sun. Sunny Shard while we're here in cloudy Russell Square. We're not in the Russell Square Park, but Russell Square Station is nearby, and that's where I flew last time, which is right over there. I'm going to show you. Like, so I flew around here last time. This is actually Russell Square. You see where all these patch of trees are, and I flew here in my last few flights. But this time I've decided to come here, a different spot. So we'll see what's happening on the road below us, and explore this very interesting area as well. See this little, I don't know what this place is, but it looks really interesting. We're going to orbit that as well. I think this is called the Brunswick Centre, as I can see right there. Yeah, there's a road called Brunswick Square. Let's just explore this little place. So it's a bit windy, so I might get reduced flight time, but it shouldn't affect the flight that much. So I'm just gonna like come down a little bit. I want to see what this place is about. I'm gonna go straight down. Then we explore this building as well. We'll go nearby here as well. Look at that. I'm gonna go around as well quickly. So you can see the AC spinning right on top. Alright. We're starting back. I just want to get a closer shot of this little area down here. Really interesting. Get a closer shot of what's happening down there as well. Explore this way as well. Let's move around. Let's explore down there as well. Let's bring it back down there. Yep, now you can see I've got a better view of the drone. Just got a little bit down here. It's not for long because there's another tree down there. And I'm going to lose sight of it again, so then I'm going to lose signal. And I don't want to do that, but you can go for a little while still.
Max altitude reached.
Just stay around here. So look at that amazing building. I feel like St. Pancras, King's Cross, but maybe I might walk down there. Actually, you know what? I lost signal. Wait a minute.
Max altitude reached.
Yeah, I have to walk
Return to home.
Cancel it. Yeah, so basically, when I tried to walk, that tree was, I literally lost signal, even though it was right there. The drone just couldn't connect to it, so I think I have to like bring it slowly. No, let's explore this side instead. I've got a better shot. Let's explore this side. Yeah, we'll go towards here. Got a nice shot of this. Look at that building over there, it's amazing. It's got a lot down here. You can fly quite far as well. Central London drone flights are unparalleled. You can get amazing shots like this. Let's come back now. See, I wish I can go that side, so I'm gonna walk with the drone while it's above me, so we don't lose signal. And we'll go explore that side. I can let it stay above me, so we don't lose signal. Get a shot of below us right now. See what's happening. Still got strong signal. Though we're through the trees right now. Bring it ahead. Look at that. Maybe when you clear of the trees, you can see that blue car. Nice. Now you can go ahead now. Because we cleared these trees, we can go forward. The drone can just go right there. Get shot down this junction as well. Now we can go a bit forward. Yep, now we can go. Now we've got clear sight of this place over here. Set my home point to where I am.
Home point updated.
We'll get a shot of this place as well. Look at that. Walk a little bit forward. Look at that. Okay, nice. Let's get a photo of this as well. Just want to get time lapse. Let me just make sure the street is directly straight. So if I walk a bit further, I won't lose signal. Right. Now we can just go a little bit ahead. Actually, you know what? Our battery's at 32%. I might have to head back now. Alright, let's head back now. We don't want to lose signal.
Approached edge of
We don't
altitude
risk the
zone.
drone not coming back. There's not much to see where I am. It's really got a low battery now, so I might just land it in a second. I will land it in a second. Let's see what's above us, this little building over here. Look at that, there's a lot of bikes coming here. Let's get a shot of it. We'll follow it back as well. It looks like skateboarders. This is, I remember I did another flight where there's a lot of skateboarders at night.
Battery
Look at
level
that
is
is
low.
amazing.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10
Actually, they're going
seconds.
that way, but still, we got a shot of them at least. You can hear them as well. They're all coming
Low
in.
battery.
Let's bring
Return
it back
to
now. I
home
need land
promptly.
drone. Right, let's land a drone now. We'll get a shot of them coming. Seagulls coming near my drone. So close to the trees. Alright, we can get that in. Alright, that was my amazing drone flight here in Brunswick. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next one.